Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to delete Tango account permanently. Before we get into our video, if you're new to our channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified with our latest videos. Now without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Tango app. Here, once you open your Tango app, you'll be on the home page. From the home page, on the top left hand side corner, you can see a profile icon. Once you tap on the profile icon, you'll be directed on the next page, which is My Account. From here, you can see your option Account located on the first option on the category settings. Here you'll have to tap on the Account option, and once you tap on it, you'll have to scroll all the way down and you can see option Delete Account on the very end. After that, here you'll get two options that are Enable Secure Mode and lastly Delete Account. Tap on the Delete Account option. And once you tap on it, here you'll have to choose the reason as to why you want to delete your Tango account. There are a few options such as I want to use another account, I met inappropriate or abusive uses, and many more. Tap your preferred reason and you can tap on the delete account option. Once again, you'll have to confirm whether you want to delete your account or not. Here it is said that your account will be deleted within 30 days. Once you tap on the delete account option, you'll be successfully logged out of your Tango account. You can rest assured because your account will be deleted within the 30 days. That was all for our today's video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like. Have a good day.